The legend is back, but not in the way anyone expected. The 2027 Ford Capri appears to be returning with a completely new attitude, combining classic muscle car DNA with details inspired by modern supercars. This Capri is no longer just a simple retro revival. It's a wide, aggressive, and technology-focused performance coupe that draws inspiration from iconic American muscle cars while creating its own identity. Starting at the front, the 2027 Ford Capri immediately makes a strong statement. Its overall appearance embodies classic muscle car character with a long hood, low stance, and extremely wide body. The most striking feature is the dual circular LED headlight setup. This design is a direct homage to vintage performance cars, but the modern LED rings, darkened housings, and red accent details give it a futuristic look. Between the headlights is a black grille with a minimalist red Capri emblem, adding to its performance-oriented character. Unlike many modern cars that rely on large grilles, the Capri keeps the front end clean and functional. The hood is another highlight. The large center air vents combined with functional-looking cooling vents hint at serious performance underneath. These openings are designed to visually communicate power and help improve airflow and engine cooling. Turning to the side profile, the 2027 Capri reveals its true personality. The body has a dramatic, wide stance with muscular fenders stretching over large, multi-spoke performance wheels. The combination of a low roofline, long hood, and short rear deck creates the classic proportions of a high-performance coupe. The wheels themselves look like they belong on a supercar. The large diameter wheels with high-performance brake components visible behind them indicate that this Capri is designed for serious driving. Another impressive detail is the aerodynamic treatment. The side skirts have a carbon fiber look with matching red accents, visually lowering the car. The side mirrors also feature red accent lines, while subtle fender vents behind the front wheels help break up the bodywork and emphasize performance. The rear of the 2027 Capri is perhaps the most dramatic angle. The first thing you notice is the full-width black panel that connects the LED taillights. The horizontal light signature gives the car a wider, more rugged look. The Capri lettering at the rear serves as a bold reminder of its heritage, while the integrated lip spoiler above the trunk adds a sporty feel. The lower bumper is where the aggressive character reaches another level. A large diffuser dominates the rear, complemented by striking red vertical aerodynamic fins. Perhaps the most eye-catching detail is the dual exhaust system, with two large exhaust outlets on each side. This is a classic sign of a high-performance combustion engine, indicating that the Capri has serious power under the hood. Under the hood, the 2027 Ford Capri is powered by a 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine producing around 350 horsepower for the base performance model. A twin-turbocharged V6 engine produces around 450 to 500 horsepower for higher trims. Naturally aspirated or supercharged V8 variants are the preferred choice for enthusiasts, potentially producing over 500 horsepower. With a rear-wheel drive architecture, a 6-speed manual transmission, or a responsive automatic transmission, the Capri delivers a classic muscle car experience while integrating modern technologies like an adaptive suspension, an electronic differential system, and advanced driving modes. Climbing inside, the 2027 Capri features a cabin that balances retro inspiration with modern digital technology. The first thing that stands out is the thick, flat-bottom steering wheel and the Capri logo proudly placed in the center. The design feels sporty, with numerous controls that allow the driver to access essential functions without taking their hands off the wheel. Behind the steering wheel is a fully digital instrument panel featuring a performance-oriented display with large gauges and a central information display. The dashboard design is simple yet muscular. Circular air vents at each end provide a classic touch, while the large Capri lettering on the dashboard enhances the cabin's sense of exclusivity. In the center sits a touchscreen infotainment system, nestled above the physical climate controls and a row of switches, creating a satisfying blend of modern convenience and classic mechanical character. Black leather seats with red stitching and a red center stripe perfectly match the exterior accents, creating a racing-inspired ambience. The 2027 Ford Capri represents a bold vision of what a modern Capri could be. It captures the spirit of classic muscle cars through its long hood, round headlights, imposing stance, and manual transmission, while adding modern technology, aggressive aerodynamics, digital displays, and premium materials. The question is simple: would you choose the reborn Ford Capri over the latest Mustang and other modern performance coupes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications as we bring you the latest automotive designs, future concepts, and the most exciting cars coming to the street soon.